Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So I've decided to do a watch me work video which will highlight myself working on my clients. So this particular client, she is getting an eyebrow arch and fill. So let's get to it. So first I'm going to go in and I'm going to clean up her brows. I'm doing so with a straight razor. I believe this is a Personna straight razor. If you're not experienced with straight razors, please do not try this at home. There are several other ways to clean up the brows, but this is the way that I choose. So I really don't have to do too much to her brows. She is one of my regular clients. She comes in every 2 weeks, so her brows are really shaped and arched the way they should be. I don't have to really clean up too much. Now as you can see, I'm going to apply the eyeshadow primer. If you watch my first video, basically I'm doing the same steps as I do on myself. So I am applying the hard candy eyeshadow primer. This is to keep the brows in place. And I'm going in with the FabuBrow dark brown, and then I also go in with the FabuBrow medium brown. And as you can see, I'm just following the natural shape of her brow. You want the brows to look as natural as possible. As you can see, I'm now going in with my concealer. I've actually mixed 2 shades together to get that perfect shade. I'll be sure to list that in the description box below. The brushes that I'm using today are by Chestnut. I actually purchased them on eBay, and I'll have a link to those brushes below as well. As you can see, I'm going back in with that pencil. I kind of want to darken it in certain areas. I always want to make sure that my brows are super precise, so that's why I'm going back in with that concealer and then blending it out to make it as seamless as possible. So as you can see, I'm going in with my very own eyebrow sealer and I'm locking those brows into place. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I so appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And let me know some other videos that you would like to see in the comment box below. Bye.